Hello and welcome to the Vitality Health International webinar. My name's Emma Knox and I'm the CEO of Vitality Health International. And I have the pleasure of taking you through our new product and partnership updates today. Vitality Health International was launched in January this year, where we've brought our unique health insurance product and Vitality program to the rest of Africa. 9 months later, we're live in 5 countries: Kenya, Nigeria, Zambia, the DRC, and last month we launched in Mozambique. We have a corporate offering, which we are offering in 3 languages: Portuguese, French, and English. A key part of our offering is our sophisticated wellness experience, and this has been really well received by African employers on the continent, who are really seeing the value of our wellness and screening offering for them and their employees. Vitality Health International has been designed specifically for the African continent, based on 3 key healthcare trends we see across Africa. The first one is health insurance in Africa is ready for disruption. We know that health insurance penetration is quite low at about 2%, but growing fast. And employers and employees are looking for more from their health insurance and looking for an insurance that helps them not only when they're sick, but also when they're well. The second trend is that Africa is going through a disease profile shift from communicable to non-communicable disease, such as hypertension and diabetes. We know that non-communicable disease has already taken over communicable disease as in terms of a burden, and by 2030, we expect this to be 3-fold. Another burden for Africa is mental health, and we know right now 100 million people across Africa are suffering from clinical depression, and employers and employees are looking for an offering to help them manage mental well-being. And thirdly, Africa's population is young. 3/4 of Africa's population is under the age of 35. That means the majority of the workforce are millennials, and these millennials are tech-savvy and looking for a digital solution to help them track and improve their well-being. It's at the intersection of these 3 trends that we have positioned Vitality Health International, and we have 3 key pillars to our product. Firstly, to share value. We're looking at how we monetize that shared value with both employers and employees. Employee well-being is central to our offering, and we focus on both physical and mental well-being. And rewards are really important to drive the right healthy behaviors, and I'll talk more about our exciting reward partners next. We have 4 key products for Vitality Health International. Firstly, in country, we have Core and Plus, which covers individuals in the country that they live. The Africa roaming plan covers you across the continent, and our worldwide plan covers you everywhere apart from the US. Importantly, our Vitality program is embedded in all 4 of these plans at no additional cost. For those of you who are not so familiar with our Vitality program, Vitality is the world's leading behavioural change program, and simply, it is something that drives healthy behaviours for our clients. We incentivise members to firstly understand their own health. In the app, members can answer questions to better understand their health. Then we set personal goals for each individual, and we reward you if you achieve those goals. Those goals can be around physical activity or taking the next best screening option. Vitality has been around for more than 20 years and is present in 40 countries and has more than 27 million lives. And with this data, we know that as engagement improves, we see a significant drop in loss ratios. The 2 charts on the graph here show that as engagement increases from bronze to platinum or low to high, loss ratios can be reduced by up to 50%. And this is where we get our saving that we want to share with our clients. So how do we share this saving? On this slide, we show 2 new products that we're launching that share that saving both with employees and with employers. For employees, we are launching the Vitality Health Fund, This is a personalised fund where individuals can boost their out-of-patient cover. Each individual starts with $25, and they can boost that up to $100 based on their engagement level. For employers, we are offering the Vitality Health Cashback. This offers up to 10% cashback on renewal based on engagement level. Earlier, I mentioned the burden of non-communicable disease. And here on this chart, you can see the pink line showing that increasing burden over time. And that burden is mostly driven by behavioural factors, such as a lack of screening, smoking, or physical inactivity. When we look at physical activity, we know this is a leading risk factor for non-communicable diseases such as hypertension and diabetes. Worldwide, 31% of adults are physically inactive, and this is something we also see across the rest of the African continent. Importantly, we know that linking a wearable device can significantly increase an individual's activity. Our data shows us that an increase of 34% in terms of activity if you link a device, and up to almost 5 more days of exercise each month. To enable more people to benefit from this, we've increased our discount on Garmin Watch. We've increased it from 25% to 40% off. This means every individual that joins Vitality Health International gets a 40% discount on a Garmin Watch. You also have the option to link other devices such as Fitbit and Apple Watch. We know that mental health and physical health are linked. 1 in 4 adults suffer from some form of mental illness, and those individuals are 2.6 times more likely to have unhealthy lifestyle behaviours. And unfortunately, this means they are 60% more likely to progress to a diagnosis of a chronic condition. This is obviously a significant impact for the employee, but also for society more broadly, with up to 4% GDP lost each year due to the economic burden of mental illness. To help employers and employees better manage mental well-being, we are launching Vitality Healthy Mind. Similar to our physical activity product, this encourages individuals to track and improve their mental health. We encourage individuals to know their health by taking online questionnaires, to improve their health by taking personalised challenges. We also recommend apps and, where appropriate, make mental health referrals. And if you achieve each of these goals, you will get rewarded. So how have we chosen these reward partners? We know that every market is different, and so we've conducted research in each of our markets that we operate to understand what is going to be the most impactful brand or offering to drive better, healthy behaviours. We've looked at data, at online shopping and food delivery, and I'm going to share with you now a video to recap some of the products and to share with you our exciting new partners. I'm thrilled to share with you our new partners. So across Africa, we will be able to offer individuals vouchers with MTN, Vodacom, Jumia, Uber Eats, or the option to donate those rewards to UNICEF. And all these new partners are additional to the existing Vitality Online store. So in summary, we have had an excellent start. We're live in 5 countries, we're growing rapidly with blue chip multinaps across the continent, and today I've shared with you some new product and portfolio enhancements that offer even more value to our clients. Thank you for listening.